And I think the listing today marks the culmination of a 30-year journey. Today, Lincotrade Associates is an established name in Singapore. We hope that you will capitalize on the opportunities that this listing will provide to achieve your growth ambitions and strengthen your brand, expand your production facilities, and take you to the next level.
Today is truly a milestone for Lincotrade, as it has been 30 years since the company was founded in 1991. Lincotrade was started with little resources, but lots of passion and ambition. As we celebrate our listing today, let's continue to use our passion and commitment to make a difference and expand the business legacy of Lincotrade. Thank you very much.
Live from CNBC studio at the Singapore Exchange,